Alright guys, we're back here with another video. This is just going to be a separate video itself. Me and my dad got a lot of work done on it tonight. I changed the oil cooler, or the turbo oil supply line. I put a new one on it. Here's the old one. As you can tell, much needed. I had an extra one laying around. Passenger doors off, seat and everything's put inside. He's going to put another coat of Rhino liner on the floor. Driver door is all buttoned up and ready to go. I got a dent pulled out of it that I was showing you guys here. I just got to apply some body filler now and sand it, and then I got a few spots here I got to touch up. This I got to let dry. It's getting there. So I'm just going to probably get an exhaust clip and everything tomorrow, and then I don't know if I'll put it in the end of this video or not, but so far it's coming along good. We're making great progress. I wanted to have this thing done by be ready for paint by the end of February, and I think we'll probably be pretty darn close. So we got to put the new cluster in, change this panel out here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but like the light button and stuff. As you can see, the rocker panel, cab corner, everything's in. Door shuts well. I don't know what it's getting stuck on, but everything's going along good. It's running smoothly. We do have a little leak down there. You guys can't see it though. It's the tranny. We'll probably take it back over to our buddy Will and see what's going on there. Did get the new engine oil cooler lines put on. You can see them here and here. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your guys' support and stuff. Like I said, I'm getting t-shirts made, and then once we hit the 100 subscriber mark, we are going to do the giveaway. So be sure to like this video, subscribe, and if you're a first time viewer, be sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment, and share this video to your friends and stuff. I will be having some more videos probably of my brother's Duramax here soon. We got to put some fog lights in, so we'll probably get those installed soon. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy these videos. So thanks for watching.